Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your doors manually in case of emergency of your Audi A4 or S4 Avant. If you have a problem with a central locking system, there is another solution to lock or unlock your car. Using for this the emergency key. Of course, we are locking and unlocking the driver's door with the emergency key. Means that we first have to remove and get the emergency key ready for action. We take out the emergency key out of the remote control key. Then we go to unlock the driver's door. We are going to push the key into position, and after it is entered into the lock, we are able to rotate it to anti-clockwise position to open, or clockwise position to close the car. That's easy, as you can see. So you can unlock and or lock your driver's vehicle's doors. Of course, this is how to lock these doors, but you have to do or perform more, because you have to lock the front passenger's door and the rear doors with the emergency key too. For this, the mechanical locking device is located on the end face of the front passenger's door or on the rear doors. If it is there, we are able to open it. Of course, yeah, that's possible too. So we are going to take out the emergency key. Then we are going to pull the cap out of the opening on the other doors. We insert the key on the slot inside and turn it as far as the stop to the right. That means clockwise position. You see this on the frame of your passenger side door, and you can see this on the doors of the rear passengers, right and left, if you have an Avant. So get it into position, turn it clockwise or turn it anti-clockwise to lock the system. Okay. If the door is on the right side or the left side, we have to perform the other side, of course. So we insert the key in the slot inside and turn it as far as the stop to the right, if the door is on the right side, or to the left side, if the door is on the left side. We do not leave any, especially children, in the car if the car is locked from outside and the safe lock mechanism is activated. The doors and the windows cannot then be opened from the inside. Locked doors could delay assistance in emergency, potential putting lives at a risk, of course. But so you can lock your system again if you have a malfunction with your central locking system, using for that the emergency key. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.